Hey there, Brentwood. Are you planning a move in or around the area? In today's video, we'll explore how 3 movers can make your move easier, cheaper, and stress-free. Let's dive in. Planning to move more than 100 miles away? A long-distance move can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to driving a huge moving truck. Let us handle it. Our professional movers are here to pack up your belongings, transport them safely, and make your cross-country or state-to-state move hassle-free. Need help with packing? We've got you covered. Our team offers packing and unpacking services to save you time and ensure your items are safely packed. We also provide all the necessary packing materials, from boxes to bubble wrap, to make your move even easier. Moving within Brentwood or nearby, local moves are our specialty. Our trained local movers know the best routes, so your move is faster and more efficient. Moving your home or business? We handle both. From homes and apartments to office spaces and commercial properties, our team is equipped to move everything, from fragile items to high-end technology. No job is too big or small. With our expert services, transparent pricing, and commitment to customer satisfaction, we make moving easy. Call us today for a free estimate and let's get your move started.